Quick question. What can 1,000 rupees get you? A pizza night? New jeans? Weekend plans? Now, what if I told you that same 1,000 rupees could be the start of your journey to financial freedom? Sounds unreal? Stick around, because in this video, you'll learn how to start investing in your 20s with just 1,000 rupees. No jargon, no boring lectures, just real practical money moves you can start today. Ready to flip the script on your future? Let's go. Why your 20s are a goldmine for investing. Most people think, I'll start investing when I earn more, when I settle down, when life gets serious. That's a trap, because your biggest money superpower in your 20s isn't your income. It's time. Here's a killer stat. Start investing 1,000 rupees per month at age 22, and you could build 11 million rupees by 60. Wait 10 years, you lose 7 million rupees. Let that sink in. Every month you delay, you're not just losing 1,000 rupees. You're losing compounding magic. Start small. Start now. That's the real flex. 3 golden rules before you touch that 1,000 rupees. Before you rush into any app or stock, stop. Follow these 3 money commandments. Build an emergency fund. If life punches you in the face, and it will, you need backup. Save at least 1 month's expenses first, in savings or liquid fund. Kill high-interest debt. If you're paying 36% interest on your credit card, your investment returns won't save you. Debt first. Investing later. Know your why. Are you investing for your dream trip? Your dream home? Retirement? Goals guide your strategy. Best places to start with 1,000 rupees. Now the good part. Let's put that 1,000 rupees to work. Here are 4 options that actually make sense for beginners. 1. SIP and mutual funds. Start with 100 rupees to 500 rupees per month. Choose index funds. Use Groww, Zerodha coin, or Kuvera. Chart increasing, sit back. Let pros manage it. 2. Direct stocks, only if you're ready to learn. Research first. Start with 500 rupees in blue chip stocks. Don't play the stock market like a game. It's not roulette. 3. Digital gold. I love gold. Go digital. 100 rupees onwards. Great for long-term safety plus tradition. 4. REITs, real estate, no property needed. Buy into property projects with 500 rupees. Earn rental income like a landlord, without the building drama. How to make investing a habit, not a one-time thing. Let's be real, anyone can invest once. The winners? They invest every single month, no matter what. Here's how to stay consistent. Automate your SIPs. Treat investments like a bill, pay it first. Use apps like INDmoney, Zerodha, INDmoney. Learn every week. 1 video, 1 blog, 1 book. Watch your 1,000 rupees become 10,000 rupees, 100,000 rupees, 1 million rupees. You don't need motivation. You need a system. Common mistakes new investors make. You're doing great, but don't fall into these beginner traps. Mistake 1, chasing quick money. Crypto pumps, meme stocks, friends hot tip? Skull avoid. Mistake 2, ignoring fees. Always check expense ratios on mutual funds. Even 1% eats into your returns. Mistake 3, over-diversifying. You're starting with 1,000 rupees. 1 to 2 funds or stocks are enough. Mistake 4, panic selling. Markets go up, down, sideways. Stay calm. Long-term is the name of the game. 1,000 rupees today equals freedom tomorrow. Listen, no one is coming to build your wealth for you. Not your boss, not the government, not luck. It's you. And the best part, you don't need 100,000 rupees to begin. You need 1,000 rupees and 1 bold decision. So here's your action plan. Open a SIP or buy your first stock. Set your auto invest. Stay consistent for 12 months. And a year from now, you'll look back and say, that 1,000 rupees? Best decision of my 20s. Like, comment if you've started or planning to. Subscribe for no-nonsense finance. And remember, start small. Stay smart. Leave with finance.